Welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, I have a little Christmas tips which I'm showing you guys. Well, if you didn't get it in the first part of the year, well, it is good for you to have it in now because it is Christmas. You want to have different kind of color board in your kitchen which you're gonna handle in a lot of meat and a lot of veg. Well, what I want to simply say to you on a tips under the red board. This is the red one. It is very important to have a red board in your kitchen for meat. It is very dangerous. Special chicken, and it is very good for you to have a vegetable board also in your kitchen. And also it is good to have a white board, and also you can have one of these kind of board inside of your kitchen. Well, as you can see, the red one is for meat. And make sure, guys, when you're gonna angle your chicken, your beef, your pork, your turkey for this Christmas, make sure you have a red cutting board in your kitchen that you can put your fish, your chicken and your beef, all kind of red meat on it for you to do your bits and pieces. But I want to simply say to you, right here is a good board where you can go to the supermarket and get yourself very cheap and nice for you to use in your kitchen on your work surface for angling your red meat. Guys, this is just a Christmas tips from Chef Ricardo. Hope you will leave your comments and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. And remember, we have a lot of things coming up for Christmas. So Christmas tips is coming up day by day. But I'm just want to give you the idea, you know, and when you finish angling your meat, always sanitize the area, keep your area safe and keep your area clean and sanitize them a lot, because you know so many things gonna be happening in Christmas. But it's just a tips just to remind us that we must keep ourselves really up to date. Well, remember, cutting board like this one is very important in your kitchen. A red cutting board, make sure you got this one in your kitchen for angling different meat, red meat. Like they do have the fish meat board which you can also get that one if you're angling fish. So guys, remember, tips for Christmas: cutting your meat and handling your meat from Chef Ricardo. Leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. As I always say, we have a lot more coming out for you. Thank you. Bye bye.